Just after 12, Ross and I are finally in London, going to get our rental car. We haven't been over for the business since 2019. COVID kind of wrecked that for us for a while. We're excited to be back on the ground and back in the hunt.
This is Kish upsold the customer.
He's hooking us.
You don't know.
He's hooking us. Yeah, he upsold us and way overcharged us on.
We're meant to get a Merc, but
yeah,
they came to their senses.
However,
we've got a Suzuki
cheap.
hybrid. Come on, we've gone from big power to normal power. But all good, man.
It's all good. Okay, Ross, what are we cruising in today, brother?
It's an Audi Q5. Got a sweet little upgrade that was still expensive.
Yeah, it wasn't as cheap as the
wasn't
little
600 pounds a day like they originally quoted us.
Yeah, they tried putting us in a Mercedes GL diesel. GLE. It was a big beast. Monster of a vehicle for over here. Alright, so first on our stop is Wallaston, just outside of Wellingborough. This is where we're headed. So Ross and I are stuck in traffic on the M1 right now. A major accident or something. More like a fire, but still that's an accident. Yeah, the whole sucker got burned up. Look at all the firemen. They've shut the entire stretch of the M1 down for something that's on the shoulder. Jeez. Feel bad for all those people. Not a lick of that traffic's moving. Sucks to be them. So in England they have these little service stations. Ross and I were just trying to decide what they were called. We couldn't quite remember. And I guess it's just called services. Kind of like a trucker stop, huh, Ross?
Yeah.
That you'd have back at home where you know.
Almost as gross as one in the US.
Yeah. And we go into Greg's and grab a drink.
Greg's. I like to go to Greg's. Say it correctly, Nate. Greg's. Greg.
Look at that. Cheddar and onion. Get some sausage rolls. Who doesn't like a sausage roll? Village of Olney. If only.
It's a big church.
Yeah, that's good looking, dude. Wow. We're in the village of, maybe that's it, Wallaston. Yeah. This is Solovair. Been around since 1881. They're the company that had a contract to manufacture Doc Martens. Oh, they're closed? Seriously? Haha, you gotta be shitting me. Wednesday, they're effing closed. Awesome. Mother F. Anyways, this is where they were made.
Ford car. Oh my gosh. I think Apple took us on the slowest possible route here.
It's possible. I don't know that there was a quicker route though.
We drove over a dual carriageway.
Did we?
Yeah, the bridge took us over one. Dogs. Everybody has a dog here. Maybe that's why I don't like dogs as much.
You love dogs because, especially when you get a Land Rover Defender with dog hair all over the back. That's the greatest. All right, you're gonna hop on an A road here pretty soon. Oh, Wallaston. Oh, how I haven't missed you.
This is Wallaston.
All right. So here we are in Kettering, going to take a look at a 109. How are you?
He's all bark, you won't open it.
So here she is, huh?
There she is, the beast.
Cool. So have you done much work on it then, or?
When I got it, it was completely bare inside and didn't really drive particularly well. So I've given the engine a service, bled all the brakes and stuff because they hadn't been bled at all.
Okay.
The guy before me had put new calipers and pads and discs all the way around. I would suspect he's probably done it with budget stuff.
Yeah.
And I don't think the pads are particularly up to much. It stops, but by modern standards, it's an effort to get it stopped. But it runs and drives. I've driven it. I fitted the steps on it because there was no steps.
Yeah, no, that's cool.
I've only got little legs and I struggled to get it through the welds where this was tapped onto the front. So I sealed all that.
Except the VIN plate does say Series 3 on it.
That's really weird because Series 3 only had
How do we get out here?
oh, parking brake is on.
Sorry, what were you saying? Series 3 only had what now?
Leaf springs.
Yeah, we need to look at the V5.
It's almost like somebody switched the VINs around or something.
Oh, you said you can go. You said you're good. You're good.
All right, Brennan, we'll be right back.
No worries.
Wish us luck. Probably need it. Oh, the steering is horrible.
Is it? Does it no power steering, or is this just too small?
It's just like in my face.
Oh yeah, I don't like those steering wheels, dude.
It is not even in the right position. It's upside down. Should I go up the hill?
Yeah. Yeah, let's go up the hill and see how the motor does with its crappy little water pump.
Yeah. Not to blow up on right now.
Yeah, if it truly is a 73 Series 3, it's in amazing condition. Chassis, front to back. I don't know. I'm trying to.
Well, it's not. This is not really a 73. There's no way.
I don't think so either.
Leaf springs on them.
Right.
No shit. There are no brakes.
Yeah, you said they're a little.
Holy crap.
Really soft.
You can get going though. Really touch it. It takes off. Go. Tally ho!
lack of sleep. I shouldn't say drunk. Hangover. I don't know, dude. Do you remember what he was asking?
It was like 60 something.
If we could get it for like a couple grand, maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe? I do love the get up and go that it has.
Yeah.
That's terrific.
I can't see it in the windows, I don't know why.
And the fact that it's an auto is nice, even though it's a little bit wonky.
Wonky donkey.
So we're not really sure if this is what this thing is. He's got it listed as a 109 high capacity pickup, but like Ross said, the chassis, it's coil sprung all around. It does have a 3.5 or 3.9 liter V8, which is nice. Plenty of power. It's got an auto, which is nice.
Oh, hey, look, he did an Eli.
Ooh.
Put the seat thing on the wrong side.
So the question is, if we can get it for a decent buy, then maybe. I guess I'll look and see what he's asking.
She's got her kid in the front seat. Naughty, naughty.
Naughty, naughty. Yeah, thankfully. Does he have an extra fan on this?
There's one in there. It's an electric fan.
Oh, okay. Tally-ho! I don't want to drive it. If we get it, I say we leave it for now. Make him an offer. Yeah, with the water pump, I don't trust it right now. I don't want to blow it
I
up.
don't think it's gonna make it. It would not make it a couple hundred miles.
No. All right. Well, we're just leaving the gent's home, and some of the things we mentioned: drive shaft issues potentially in the back, maybe diff. Brakes were pretty shoddy. I don't know. And it, paint, everything else. I mean, he wouldn't budge on. I think he came down from 6250 to 5. Would you offer him 3 or 35? 3. Yeah, he wasn't very, very happy about that. The look on his face, his jaw nearly hit the floor. Said he can't do that. He's got more into it, which is unfortunate for him. So, on to Sheffield.